the AEO Power Sports KTM team definitely had a rough night in San Diego, especially between these two, with two pretty big crashes. One looking okay and the other not so great, and that one being Talon Hawkins. If you haven't seen the crash, here it is. It looks like he just catches a really weird lip off the face of the jump. Bike comes out from underneath him, slams into the face of the jump, and as far as I can find, he now has a broken femur, going in for surgery as of Sunday, or as of today as I'm recording this. So that means his season's probably done. I mean, obviously supercross is over. Just depends on how long it's going to take to heal that surgery, heal that leg, get back on a bike. Well, actually get back, doing any cardio, then get back on a bike. Who knows about that? I mean, it's going to take a very long time for him to get back, and you never want to see this. I mean, it's just you never want to see anybody get injured, especially something like that, where it's such a big injury. It's going to be a long time before he's back riding or back racing. Hopefully, knock on wood, it's quicker than I think it is going to be. Hopefully, he is back for motocross. I don't know. As far as any sort of updates, I will keep you. I'm going to say we, but it's just me here. I will keep you updated on stuff like that. Uh, I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. What'd you think of San Diego? What'd you think of A1? Excited for A2? Who's going to win the titles in your opinion? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.